Hi, this is Meg from LUMOplay. I wanted to take a moment to thank everybody who helped us this year and everyone who supports LUMOplay, whether you're a new community member, somebody who's just subscribed to our channel, or somebody who's been with us for a while. We had new babies this year. We had a lot of changes, people moving. My son started working at the company and just finished his first year working with us. He's not in this video, but he is behind the camera in most of the videos we make. And we were able to accomplish a lot with our small team, including new templates and tutorials based on community requests. So we've made a lot of new tutorials and educational content like fog reveal and disco dots and koi pond and wall attack and break apart, footprints. We launched a whole bunch of new games this year in the library like Color the Farm, a bunch of fluid effects, jellyfish, coral reef wall, the new magma lava floor. If you haven't seen some of those games, I encourage you to check them out. Now is a great time, especially during the holidays, to try some new content. We also added a bunch of features to the platform, including new playlist features and loading screen customization. We added support for a bunch of new cameras, again, all on community requests. So thank you so much for your submissions and your emails and your feedback on how to improve the software. Lastly, we got to do a lot of experiments this year that we haven't been able to do for the past few years. So we're really excited about some of the things that we're able to develop in our R&D time, including experiments with LED tiles, controllers like the Elgato Stream Deck. We even got to play with the Nerf gun, and the fun moment during April Fool's Day where we got to play a fart prank on some of the people who visit the dance studio next to the LUMOplay lab. We look forward to next year.
Okay. Hello. Hello.
You guys gotta wait for me to get over there.
Happy holidays from all our families to yours. Happy holidays!